Welcome! Today I'm showing how to activate Hey Google option into Oppo A53s. First of all, you need to go into a Google application, this one, and then click in the bottom right corner, More option. Now we got settings. Here I need to choose voice, and here we got Hey Google block option, voice match. So go into. Now click here to activate Hey Google. Now need to give accessibility for your Google application. Click next, agree to voice match. I agree, and wait a second for installing your Hey Google option and click continue. And now we activate our Hey Google option into Oppo A53s. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.